What's up, you guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2021. Now, more importantly, I'm going to show you how to get thousands of visitors in traffic to your websites and to your affiliate links. And I've never actually mentioned this method before. So by the end of this video, you're going to know a 100% free traffic source. Again, I've never mentioned this before on how to get free traffic. Now, I've been doing this since 2019 when I started my business, but I'm going to reveal this method to you guys today, and I'm really excited. Now, I'm also going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing, but with monthly reoccurring income, which is huge, guys, because if you can get monthly reoccurring income, then you have passive income, which is my favorite way to make money online. And I'm going to show you how you can make even more money with this method. And guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you even more ways to get traffic using this method. Now, guys, I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2019. I've been able to generate multiple six figures, and not only one or two, but multiple affiliate marketing programs. I have over 20 plus income streams at this point, and I started my business back in May of 2019. Now, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can make money online, how to drive traffic, but of course, affiliate marketing. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I went from negative $1,200 in my bank back in May 2019. I started my business, and then, guys, 9 months later, I quit my job as an electrical engineer, and now this is what I do full time. So if you guys want to join my 3-day mentoring program, I have a brand new program for you guys, only $7 to join. I'm gonna leave a link down below, but let's get started with this video, okay? So guys, what is affiliate marketing? Most of you guys probably already know what it is. For the new ones that are here that have never heard of affiliate marketing, guys, it's basically you're sending traffic to a special link, right? We have a product that we want to promote, and basically all we're doing is we're sending people to this special link, right? And then this link is tracked back to you. Now, if somebody buys through your special link, you get paid, right? This is the best business model on the planet because you don't need inventory, you don't need a whole team, you don't need to deal with refunds, you don't need products. You literally just promote products that you believe in, and then you get paid. Now, of course, I'm going to show you a brand new method in this video, but I just want to kind of show you guys what affiliate marketing is if you haven't heard of it. Now, okay, what are we actually doing, right? So step one, we need to figure out a product that we want to promote. Now, with this specific method, it only works with certain products. I'm going to show you why. So let me show you the method first, and I'm going to show you what type of products work for this method. I'm going to show you how we generate thousands and thousands of traffic to the websites and to the affiliate links. Okay, so there's a website called Udemy.com. All right. Now, what this website does is it gives you access to thousands and thousands of courses online, right? So if I go and just type in something like Google Ads, we can go ahead and take a course on Google Ads, right? So you can see tons and tons and tons of courses that you can take, all right? Now, if I go in here and just type in something like, let's just say YouTube ads, right? We can go to YouTube ads, and we can see what type of courses that are in here. Now, what's cool is you can actually go and take free classes. So if I go to price here and go to free, I can take all these free courses on YouTube ads or whatever you want to take. Now, why is this important? Well, I'm going to show you why, okay? So let's just say we type in something like, let's just say how to build a website, okay? We can, build a course on how to make a website, but why would we want to do this, right? Let's just say we go to this course right here, right? Now, within this course, this person probably has affiliate links, right? So I can go over here, and they should give us the curriculum. So let me see here. They usually, yeah, here we go. So here's the whole course right here, right? So not even that long, guys. It's only a 30-minute course. But within this course, most likely there's going to be affiliate links in here, right? So installing WordPress on your account, okay? Now, okay, so right here it says how to manage your website from Bluehost, okay? So basically, they're showing you how to build a website, but they're probably promoting Bluehost right here, okay? And I'm going to prove that to you guys now. Now, if I go to the Bluehost affiliate website, this is basically a affiliate program that you can use to build a website. Now, you can see here that every time someone buys, you get $65 when someone is referred, okay? So that's basically what this person is doing. They're showing people how to build a website, and then they have their affiliate links on the back end, okay? Now you can do this with multiple products, right? Let's just say we do email marketing. Check this out, guys. And I'm gonna show you how to do this in just a second. I'm gonna prove to you guys that I'm doing this method as well, okay? So email marketing, let's see how the complete MailChimp email marketing course. We can go and basically build out courses like this, all right? So inside of here, let's just go right here and click this out. If we go to the curriculum, we can see, let me see if I can find it here at the bottom. So email marketing. Okay, so they're promoting something called MailChimp here, okay? Now I promote a website I promote a affiliate company for email marketing called GetResponse, and this is what I promote. Basically, if I go down here, you can get $100 per sale or 33% per month, because someone's paying per month for this program. So this is what I was talking about. You get that monthly recurring revenue, which is what I love. Now this is what I promote. You can see I promote GetResponse. I have an all-time earnings of $1,100. This is again just one of my programs that I promote. I promote multiple different programs, guys. And if I go to back to Udemy, you can find other courses as well. So we can even go to Clickfunnels, right? If I go to Clickfunnels, there's going to be all these courses on Clickfunnels, right? So you can see even Kevin David has a course up here. But I actually have my own course on Clickfunnels. I'm going to show you guys that in just a second. It's a little further down, I believe, because I built this course out a while back. So I don't even know if it's still, it's a free course. So if I go over here and I go to price, I go to free, I believe my course is still free. Now, the reason I do this is because I have a free course, but I'm making more money on the back end, right? So I don't know where it's at. Here we go. This is mine right here, guys. I haven't actually updated this thing. I really need to update it, but you can see here, Ultimate ClickFunnels Mastery Course by Jonathan Montoya, okay? Now, basically what I'm doing is I have this free course, but on the back end, I'm promoting ClickFunnels, right? So I get 40% every time someone signs up for this program here, all right? Now you can see if I go to the actual stats of my course, let me see, here we go. So I have over almost 4,000 students. Now, of course, I did the free model. So I created this course and it's 100% free, okay? The reason I do that is because I know that people are going to go through this course and sign up for ClickFunnels, right? So I don't really care about the income, right? I'm not actually charging for this course, right? So I can actually charge zero for this course. And the cool thing about Udemy is they actually promote your course, right? They actually go ahead and promote it, especially when you first launch it. They promote it to everyone, guys. And this is a very, very powerful method. You can see here, this is something I did when I first started my business, and I already have 4,000 students in here, and people are still enrolling every single day, right? So like every single day people are enrolling. So I'm actually going to go and redo this course because this is an old course I did back in 2019. But more importantly, guys, is I have my affiliate links in here, okay? So if I go down, let me see if I can find, this is my course right here. This is the back end of my course. You can see it's about 3 hours, but you don't even have to go that long. You can literally go 30 minutes or an hour. You can do this literally in a day, guys, but this is an asset that you'll have for life, right? Now you can see here that I have my link to my ClickFunnels, right? So if people click this, it'll go directly to my ClickFunnels link, right? And you can add multiple links, multiple sources in this course here, guys. So really, really powerful method. And that's going to be figuring out what products do we want to promote. Again, that's why I wanted to show you the method first, because it doesn't work for everything. It mostly works for software. It works for email marketing, anything like that. So things like Bluehost is perfect if you want to build a course on how to build a website, right? So create a website. You can basically create a course on how to build a website. Now, what I would do if you didn't know how to do this and you want to promote something like Bluehost, as you can see here in the last month and just the last couple weeks, actually, I've done over $390 promoting Bluehost, right? Now, if you don't know how to make a course on this, what I recommend, guys, is just going and finding something that's already doing well, right? Either buying a course and redoing it in your own way, or you can just get a free course, right? You can go to free and go ahead and do that, right? You can go ahead and find the top free course and then recreate it in your own way, but put your affiliate links, guys. That's going to be how you can do this if you're promoting Bluehost, right? But you can basically find a product that is like something to do with email marketing, something with funnel building, right? If we do building, let's see, building funnels. Basically, you can promote all these products, right? You got Clickfunnels, you got Groove, you got Builderall, you got all these funnel building softwares, and you can create courses around these products. Now, more importantly is that I can build my YouTube, I can build my TikTok brand with these courses, right? I actually, inside of here, I'm not sure where it is exactly, but I have an intro. I believe it's in the intro here where I say, hey, go follow. Yep, here we go. So follow me on YouTube, follow me on... let's see here. See, I have even more affiliate links in here, guys. The One Funnel Away Challenge. You can see all my affiliate links are in here, right? So all my links are here. Join my Facebook group. I believe I have links on how to join my YouTube channel. So guys, this is free traffic from Udemy sending me this. All I got to do is create this course, right? So that's going to be step number 2 is we got to create our free course. Now, how do we actually do it? It's really not that hard, guys. I use a software called OBS to create the actual videos, okay? So this is a free software. Just go to obsproject.com. This is what I use. This is what I'm using now to actually create this video. I'll show you guys real quick. Let me pull it over. So this is the video here. You can see I have my display. I have my face I can move around, and I'm basically recording, right? I can stop recording. I can stop it here, and it'll basically make a video, right? So this is really easy to use, guys. I mean, it takes a second to kind of set it up. Once you get it set up, it's super easy. All you got to do is hit record and you build out your video, okay? Build out your videos. You could probably make some slides for the actual course itself. And then all you got to do is go to Udemy and just upload the actual video, right? So if I go to instructor here, I can make a new course, right? I can go to new course, which I'm going to actually do. Guys, this is a very, very powerful method. I haven't mentioned it before because I don't know, I just haven't mentioned it, but this is something that I did when I first started my business. I haven't even honestly looked at this since like a year ago. I totally forgot about this, but I remember it was bringing me more and more sales, as you can see here. I just had it pulled up. Yeah, you can see, guys, like every single day people are enrolling, right? Like today's the 20th, so someone just enrolled today. So guys, people are, I'm reaching people from all over the world, but I'm not even promoting it. They promote the course for me, okay? So really, really powerful type method. Now, guys, I did mention I have a bonus for you guys. What you can do is create your course, upload it to Udemy, but what you can also do is go to a website called Skillshare and upload the same course to Skillshare, okay? Now, Skillshare is a little different. I think you get paid per minute of the course. But you can also have your affiliate links. Guys, I don't really care about the money for the actual course itself. I don't think I've even made that much money with this course, to be honest. You can see like 23 bucks this month. I don't know. I don't really care because I'm making more money on the back end, and that's what I really care about, right? So I don't really care about charging. I was charging for this, I think like 10 bucks, and I just dropped that. I'm just doing this for free now. So Skillshare, you can upload the same course to Skillshare, and then there's another one here, guys, called Coursera, where you can also join in and upload your course here, okay? So basically, you can make one course and then upload it to all these free course softwares. The powerful thing about these softwares is they promote your courses for you, okay? Really, really powerful, guys. So that's basically the whole method on how you can get tons of free traffic to your affiliate links. Again, it works for certain affiliate programs like email marketing, funnel builders, website builders, any type of software that you're teaching on how to, how to use the actual software, okay? So guys, I hope you liked this video. I just released a brand new program. If you want me to guide and mentor you step by step, click by click on how to start your business in just 3 days, I have a brand new program for only $7. This is the exact system, the exact blueprint that took me, guys, from literally negative $1,200 in my bank account to quitting my job in just 9 months, guys. Literally May of 2019, right? You can see the date here. This is May of 2019. I was negative $1,200 in my bank account, right? Now, March of 2020, right before the pandemic hit, I quit my job and I went all in with my business because, again, guys, I've been able to do this not only 1, twice or 3 times with multiple affiliate programs, I've been able to generate a multiple 6 figures. So I know what I'm talking about. I have multiple students creating a massive amount of income. You can see here, this is Julia. She made her first $1,000 with my program, guys. This is Trish Boyd here. She made her first high ticket commission with my program. And this is Jake Thornhill, who made $500 with my program. So if you guys want to join my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, link down below. But I hope you guys like this method on how to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This is something that I'm going to be doing again in the new year. This is something that I'm going to start building out even more and more courses to promote multiple programs. So guys, I hope this video was of value. I hope to see you guys in the 3-day business breakthrough challenge for only $7. Please subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys have a blessed day.